Hello, I am Muxin.
I am Martin.
And I am Bernat.
We are going to do a presentation about the hydraulic excavator.
This project is part of the subject of technology from the high school Alexandre de Riquer.
And we hope you will enjoy a lot.
How many parts does the object have altogether?
Hydraulic excavators are heavy construction equipment consisting of a boom, dipper, bucket, and a cap on a rotating platform known as the house. The house sits atop and on the carriage with tracks or wheels. They are a natural progression from the steam shovels and often mistakenly called power shovels. Of movement and functions of the hydraulic excavator are accomplished through the use of hydraulic fluid, with hydraulic cylinders and hydraulic motors. It moves like a caterpillar. The excavator has 7 parts in its arm: a boom cylinder, a boom, and an arm cylinder, a bucket cylinder, an arm, a bucket.
What is each part made of?
The arm is made of steel and around it there are the cylinders. Hydraulic excavator has a diesel engine and also receives help from the hydraulic motor.
Which physical processes make this object work?
All movement and functions of a hydraulic excavator are accomplished through the use of hydraulic fluid with hydraulic cylinders and hydraulic motors.
What do we use this object for?
We can use this object to dig trenches, hotels, foundations, material handling, grass cutting, with hydraulic saw and mower attachments, forestry mulching, construction, demolition, among some other things.
What does use each part of the object do? How does it works?
Each part of the object has the different things, but the arms has the hydraulic power to move the arms, are joined at one end and functions as a human arm. The shovel works caught by one end of the hydraulic arm. A hydraulic excavator has a diesel engine and also receives help from the hydraulic motor, since the hydraulic excavator can use the energy generated by the hydraulic motor to move. The excavator has some small shoppers which are embedded in the ground, allowing it to displace the opposite force of the excavator, allowing it to withstand the power generated by the hydraulic system.
How can using it put people's safety at risk?
The hydraulic excavator can be a risk to the people that work with the machine. For example, the material that moves the machine can fall on the top of the person who works with it, or some of the parts of the machine can fall on the top. The worker can fall when getting on the machine because the machine depends on being wet and it can slip.
What other objects have similar functions?
The sense of its operation is an hydraulic boom of great power and the main control valve, or MCV, that is responsible for distributing the oil under pressure to the different parts you need. The first picture is a pneumatic scheme for an excavator. It would be a scheme with a piston and air current that would go to 2 buttons and to an AND entrance. When the buttons are pressed, the air will go to the valve 5-3, and when it is pressed, the piston will down. This circuit could be carried both inside the excavator and out. The other circuit would do the same as the other, but this one is simpler because it only consists of an air current that goes towards the buttons and the pistons. Pressing a button, the piston would move. This circuit would be on the top of the machine and would move the arm. These circuits have the disadvantage that they can only move the blood from one corner to the other corner, and they can have a very lot in the middle.
And that's all for today. If you have any question, you only have to ask. Goodbye.
Hello everyone, I am Bernard.
I am
Hello.
És que não paramos. And that's all for today, my friends.
Mas não português.